This was a fun little project. When I saw this piece, I just had to get it. It just had so much character, and it's actually quite heavy for its size. I decided first I had to use a bonding boss. It was black to begin with, ugly knobs, so I just started working on the whole thing, gave it that pink undercoat, and then started building colors upon it. And you never know where it's going to go. I have no clue when I start. So I just started adding all this different colors on there and just building and building, because I knew I wanted to use the color shifting waxes that tangle with Sue cells. And so these I started layering on, kind of going along with the colors that I wound up putting on here to begin with in the base coat. Pretty much stuck with that and just kept building more and more of the wax. Now you have to use a flashlight sometimes because you really can't, the colors change depending on how the light comes in. So you really need some extra light while you're working on it. So anyway, just building all these colors in, enjoying doing all of that, and, seeing where it's going to go. Not sure what I want to do next, but you just keep going at it, right? So then I had to get ready to start, building up the inside, right? Because I always like to make sure I get everything taken care of all around. So it's a brand new piece. There's new paint or sealer or lacquer or whatever all over the whole entire item. And then, of course, I don't just paint the outside, I got to paint the inside. I'll put some stenciling on. We'll add some nice new knobs in there along the sides of the doors, right? We had to put something on there. The drawers, we want to make it more and more fun the more you go. So it's you keep looking at this thing what else can I do? And you don't want to overdo it either. So it's kind of just in the moment, deciding what feels good. Here, putting on these butterflies, right? Because I actually had to change the top. Originally, I had paisley going on up there, but I had some issues with that, and I wound up having to sand the whole top off. I had a really nice coat built up on there, nice and shiny, but there were some flaws that I could not live with, even though nobody would probably notice it but me. So I sanded the whole thing down again, and I re-stenciled, and this time with the butterflies, because I had those cute little butterfly knobs that I found. I'm you know what? I'm going to continue the butterfly. And then went to do all the details now into all the little cracks and crevices with the color shifting paint. And so here on the legs, it's really fun because I added just about every color of this. I think I have 5 colors of this wax right now, and I used them all. Filled it in all different kinds of places and played around with the light. And you just keep building on it until eventually it's it's perfect. This is what this piece needed, because I kind of just feel the energy of the piece. Maybe because I'm an energy healer, it's just the way I work. I feel the color that needs to come next, or whatever the detail might be. And so I did all of that. What else can I tell you about this? Oh, there we go. Now you're seeing the completed piece.